Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe.
Can you understand this Korean conversation? Beginner test. Wait, before we start, how much Korean do you actually understand? Not words you memorized, not phrases you've seen in K-dramas, but real, spoken Korean. Because here's the truth. Many people learn Korean, but when they hear a real conversation, their mind goes blank. So today, we're going to test your ears. No pressure, no stress, just listen and see what you understand. Let's begin. Listen carefully. Don't try to translate everything, just focus on what sounds familiar. Here we go. 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. 오늘 일찍 왔네요. 네, 오늘 일이 많아요. 그래요? 힘내세요. 감사합니다. How much did you catch? Even one word is progress. Now, let's break it down slowly. First line, 안녕하세요. This means hello, polite, very common, used every day. Second line, 안녕하세요. 오늘 일찍 왔네요. Hello, you came early today. 오늘은 오늘, 일찍은 일찍, 왔네요는 come. 세 번째 줄, 네, 오늘 일이 많아요. Yes, I have a lot of work today. 네는 yes, 일은 work. 많아요는 there is a lot. 네 번째 줄, 그래요? 힘내세요. Oh, really? Do your best. 힘내세요 is very important. It means stay strong. Good luck. You can do it. Last line, 감사합니다. Thank you. Now let's listen again. This time, try to follow everything. 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. 오늘 일찍 왔네요. 네, 오늘 일이 많아요. 그래요? 힘내세요. 감사합니다. Did it feel easier? That's how your brain learns, through repetition and recognition. Now it's your turn. I'll say a sentence, you try to understand it before I explain. Ready? Sentence 1. 오늘 바빠요. Did you get it? It means, I'm busy today. 오늘 equals today, 바빠요 equals busy. Next, 잠깐 기다려주세요. Please wait a moment. 잠깐은 a moment, 기다려주세요는 please wait. Next, 어디 가요? Where are you going? 어디는 where, 가요는 go. Now a slightly longer conversation. No explanation first, just listen. 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. 오늘 뭐 해요? 친구랑 영화를 봐요. 좋아요. 재미있게 보세요. 네, 감사합니다. How much did you understand? Let's break it down. 오늘 뭐 해요? What are you doing today? 친구랑 영화를 봐요. I'm watching a movie with a friend. 좋아요. That sounds good. 재미있게 보세요. Enjoy it. Now let's hear it again, slowly. 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. 오늘 뭐 해요? 친구랑 영화를 봐요. 좋아요. 재미있게 보세요. 네, 감사합니다. Now your final test. No hints, no breakdown. Just listen. 실례합니다. 지금 몇 시예요? 지금 3시예요. 감사합니다. 천만에요. Did you understand? Here's the meaning. Excuse me, what time is it now? It's 3 o'clock. Thank you. You're welcome. So, how did you do? Was it easier than you expected? Or harder? Either way, you're improving, because listening is built one attempt at a time. Don't aim to understand everything. Aim to understand more than yesterday. Keep listening, keep practicing, and most importantly, Don't give up. I'll see you in the next video.
That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.